Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your Beforepay account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in app.beforepay.com.au and press enter on your keyboard in order to end up in the official website. To log into your account, click on Resume Application option on the right hand side. Now, enter your email and password to log into your account. Make sure to enter your correct credentials. If you are having trouble remembering your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the on-screen prompts. If you don't have an account yet, you can start with the registration by clicking on Sign Up and following the prompts. After you are done with your email and password, click Login, and you will then be able to log into your Beforepay account in a couple of minutes. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.